Good afternoon, John here. Today I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin has suffered a great loss since Monday this week. And first of all, let's look at the daily chart. This is what I previously projected, and as the price surpassed this level, then by applying measured move tactics, I expected flip shift to that side, unexpected price to reach 55,000 ish around this level. But obviously, the price surpassed measure move. So I wrote that indicating momentum is way much stronger. Investors are too optimistic about this. Then the drop around 23% from the historic high. So what happened? Basically, Yellen said something. Right? We see this big wick here. So basically, what did Yellen say? He said, I think we need to look at closely at how to encourage their use of legitimate activities while curtailing their use from malign and illegal activities. So he accused of Bitcoin of the potential use for terrorism financing, money laundering, things like that. Okay, so that made people scared and sell the Bitcoin. So all those people are, they're so powerful. The words coming from their mouth can create something. It's either Elon Musk something, Bitcoin, and then bam, this jump, this crazy jump, and Janet Yellen said something, and then crazy drop. Yeah. So that's the market. A lot of times the underlying react to the to somebody's words. That's news drive and the market. Okay, so is it over? Is it over for Bitcoin? I really don't think so. So let's look at a daily chart. Basically, this is I call it a bull flag pattern. All right, so this is bull flag pattern here. So according to the structure, the price are supposed to forgive my bad drawing. Oh, what happened? Here we go. Okay, so price basically dropped to this bullish flag structure and bounced back a little bit. And let's look at the weekly chart. So from the weekly chart, we can see the price is still too far away from the, because it's the recent drastic soar, and it's been too far away from the MAs, 35% away from the MAs. So on the weekly chart, it's supposed to, to go through a correction to better uprise again. All right. So on the 2-hour chart, let's see. Wow, this is very nice. So this is when Janet Yellen said something. All right, create this candle, and then buyers came in. Buyers don't believe, you can't change the market. I don't care if Janet Yellen said something. All right, I don't care what Janet Yellen said. I just buy the dip, and goes back. I think this is a key Fibonacci level, right? 60. Oh, right. Here we got a structure. We got a we actually got a drop base drop and then price pullback. So actually this is the first pullback. All right, so we got a pause here, and from supply demand core trading strategy, this is a very good level to short. And all right, because it's the MA got crossed here. Also, it's not crossed, almost crossed here, and the long term MA got violated, although it closed above, but it's actually a sign. And we got Fibonacci, and we got this pause. So if you short here, it's kind of a look back view, but normally we have this, you better short, it's kind of bearish, at least on the 2-hour chart. And then price couldn't hold, go back again. I guess this kind of measure move. Let me use this. AB equals CD, just let me measure the move. Oh, right, let's measure move. AB equals CD, you see. Wow, so that's measure move. And then price refused to go another low. Let me delete this to have a better look. This is slow, right? And then this is, remember, on the daily chart, this is bullish, bullish flag pattern. Okay, so this is almost same low. So price refused to go, lower. The problem with this is this week. I don't, frank speaking, I don't like this week. So very likely price may come back here or here, and then so price likely to retest this level because of this one. It's like a finger point to somewhere below. I really don't like this one. If we don't have this weak, yeah, and then I think this is a very good pattern for a long entry. But because of this, then I'm suspicious. Once price refuse to go up, and then when it come back to retest this level, it's very likely to retest the swing low again. Yeah, so that is my guess. So from the daily, let's see, from the daily, 41,883, the previous level. This level is maybe is very likely to become, a potential terrific buying zone. I mean, this level. So gotta watch the price action here. All right. So on the weekly chart, definitely it's it's uptrend. On the daily, still uptrend. No problem at all. Okay. So from daily as well as the weekly chart, still bullish. All right. But the problem is, because somebody says something and investors become, or traders become scared and create some volatility here. All right. And also for other investors, if you think the Bitcoin is too volatile, I strongly suggest you to look for things like BLK. All right. So this BLK, Amplify ETF, blockchain leader ETF. All right. So better look at this one. So I especially created a chart for you guys. This is Bitcoin. The orange line and the blue line stand for BLK, the ETF. So we can see they have a definitely positive correlation, and especially here, so the two lines stick too close, and it goes neck by neck, yeah. So what is the price? Oh, it's dropped to 11%, and today I expect the price go high because it opens around 10:30 local time here in Beijing time. I mean, okay. So if you think, Bitcoin is so risky, so leveraged, and I want to do something, the price is lower, $52, and then it's cheaper, and if I don't use leverage, then I can have a nice sleep. So choose this one. It's not 100% replicate of Bitcoin, but it goes in the same direction, and yeah, I like this one. So BLK, your alternative to Bitcoin. All right, gonna stop here.